Welcome to the Fundamentals in Reporting Evolution of Global Pharmacovigilance Systems. Pharmacovigilance is the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects or any other medicine-related problems. Its ultimate goal is to ensure medicine safety and to improve health outcomes. Some key objectives of pharmacovigilance: monitoring risks, to identify and manage adverse drug reactions and to uphold the benefit-risk profile. Protecting public health, to minimize medication errors and prevent harm. Facilitating drug approvals, to support regulatory decisions with safety data. Enhancing transparency, building public trust with open reporting systems. Why pharmacovigilance is critical. A healthcare provider reports a rare but severe reaction to a new vaccine. The pharmacovigilance systems integrates data and issues an alert, prompting global regulatory actions. Historical evolution of pharmacovigilance. Early beginnings. First recorded adverse drug reaction, chloroform, 1848. It highlighted risks associated with anesthesia. Elixir sulfanilamide tragedy, 1937. Over 100 deaths in the USA was due to the toxic solvents. This led to the establishment of the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. Key turning points. Thalidomide disaster, 1961 to 1962. Thalidomide caused birth defects in approximately 10,000 infants worldwide. It triggered stricter post-marketing surveillance. For instance, the UK developed the Yellow Card scheme in 1964 to reporting adverse drug reactions. The WHO Program for International Drug Monitoring, established in 1968. It established global data sharing systems using Vigibase. Countries collaborated to track adverse drug reactions more effectively. Modern advances. Eurovigilance, European Medical Agency, 2001. Centralized the surveillance of medicinal products across Europe. The FDA Sentinel Initiative, 2008. It utilized real-world data and advanced data mining for proactive adverse drug reaction tracking. For instance, Sentinel identified a risk of blood clots associated with new generation contraceptives, leading to label changes. Modern technologies in pharmacovigilance. Key tools and innovations. Vigibase, developed by WHO, is the largest global adverse drug reaction database. It tracks signals from over 130 countries, and it also monitors emerging adverse drug reactions in underdeveloped regions. FAERS, developed by the FDA, is an advanced data mining tool which is used to analyze adverse reaction trends. It detected opioid-related adverse drug reactions, prompting stricter prescribing guidelines. Mobile applications. Tools like MedSafety app encourage patient-initiated adverse drug reporting. Examples in use. Patients in Uganda use the app for adverse drug reaction reporting, increasing safety. Pharmacogenomics. Personalized adverse drug reaction prevention based on patients' genetics. Example, reduced hypersensitivity reactions to abacavir. Benefits of innovation. Faster detection of unusual adverse events, improved communication and transparency in reporting, enhanced alignment with personal medicine. Regulatory frameworks. Pharmacovigilance activities operate under stringent global and regional rules to ensure safety, consistency, and data quality. The global frameworks behind this are as follows. ICH, or the International Conference on Harmonization. E2E guidelines standardize adverse drug reaction reporting worldwide. An example and application is in Japan, the EU, and the USA synchronize safety assessments under the ICH. Good pharmacovigilance practices is enforced by the EMA to strengthen adverse drug reaction handling in the European Union. National efforts from India. The Pharmacovigilance Program of India, PVPI, collects adverse drug reactions and aligns it with the WHO standards. Challenges in regulation. Uneven capacity in low-income regions, overlapping and complex frameworks, managing the influx of real-world data and adverse drug reaction incidents. Some future developments include global harmonization of PV laws across the board and across all countries, AI-driven adverse drug reaction signal analysis for efficiency, greater patient involvement in adverse drug reporting. For instance, WHO workshops train countries on harmonized adverse drug reaction reporting. Mastering pharmacovigilance, some techniques and applications. Teaching historical context. Encourage students to analyze real cases like thalidomide to understand systemic weaknesses. Simulating interventions. Creating role-play scenarios for adverse drug reaction reporting. Example, identifying cases using FAERS. Data handling exercises. Tailoring workshops focusing on Vigibase or Sentinel for signal detection. Example, students categorize adverse drug reaction datasets from Vigiflow to simulate risk assessment decisions.